Well, folks, it looks like Coy and Luke made it out of Chickasaw County in one piece. Uh-oh. It kind of sounds like the General Lee might be having a case of the vapors.
What are you doing? Oh, you're kidding me. Gosh darn it. We just rebuilt the motor 2 days ago.
Dang it, what happened?
What'd you do? It ain't my fault, I guarantee it. Is it? What's that right there?
Yeah, it looks like the distributor jump time. I left it loose.
I think you might be right for once.
Man, let me get
I don't know,
Jesse. Let me get over Jesse on the horn.
You gotta pay attention to this motor and start dating that woman. Got me?
Shepherd, the lost sheep.
Still reading this.
The lost sheep.
Is that Jesse?
Rob's right behind you. I was watching you.
Hey, Uncle Jesse, we're over here broke down General Lee on Old Mill Creek Road. Did you pick us up?
Unbelievable. I'm not too far away. I'll be there in a couple minutes. We spent hours on this.
Man, I got a hot date tonight. We need to get this thing going.
I wish I did. It's been a long time since I had a hot date. Nobody to go out with me. Actually, my wife won't let me have a date. You know that.
You know, I got a real hot date with Tammy Lynn.
How long does it take Jesse to get here? What do you think?
I don't know. He better.
There he
he comes.
Unbelievable. You got plenty of gas in there, right?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Uncle Jesse.
Done broke
Take us
down.
back to the farm. We need to get a wrench.
Alright, here we go. Back to the shop, I guess, huh?
I hope they watch steals my car.
Here's the second. You smell good. You feel any spritzes yet, Sid?
Roscoe in Falls Hall. They got good pounded in
Come here, Roscoe. Roscoe, hurry up. Come here. What do you want, boss? My little fat buddy. I love you. You're so cute. Take these here two jugs of moonshine. Plant them in that orange cup, and we gonna get them dude boys to run shine. Hurry up. You're so smart. You're so smart, my little fat buddy. We'll put him in here. He's always sticking away. He's getting dukes. We're gonna get him cuffed.
what I was when I was a kid.
Put him in here. Just like
Hurry up, Roscoe, before they come back.
I'm doing it, boss. I'm doing it. Go. I did it, boss. Go. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get them dukes. Now we're gonna sneak them on. I love it, boss. You're so smart, my little fat buddy.
I've seen this episode.
Better do this, fat sister. Go.
He didn't talk with me.
Fat sister.
He has a lamp.
Fire.
I can't believe they just leave the car there. I thought we were going to do one guy to stay there, and one guy to go with Jesse and Brett.
And when they stopped leaving the trees, you got, I never thought about it.